a billion-dollar facility where precision begins.
Raw strength arrives, the foundation of every machine. Precision lifts powered, shaping begins here. From raw steel to precise flow. Every cut engineered to perfection. Raw force shaped into precision. Every part exactly where it belongs. Structure begins bonded with precision. Perfect sync, one unified structure. Measured to perfection, nothing left to chance. Refined to perfection, every surface flawless. Protected from within, every layer counts. A hidden shield built for durability. Heat transforms, strength is sealed. The perfect base for a flawless finish. Color comes alive, a depth in every layer. Protected with a flawless mirror finish. Final curing, perfection locked in. Flawless finish verified to perfection. From paint to final creation. Everything aligned, ready to unite. The perfect union, body meets strength. The heart installed, power takes shape. Stability installed, every movement controlled.
Connections complete, intelligence flows within.
Control takes form, precision inside. Comfort installed, precision in every detail. Every fit, engineered to perfection. Sealed perfectly, clarity in every view.
Vision complete, ready to shine.
Front grille and exterior trims are being precisely aligned and securely installed. Engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid are filled with exact precision. System activation initiated. Engine and electronics are now fully operational. Precision alignment in progress, angles calibrated to perfection. High-pressure sealing test. Integrity fully confirmed. Performance simulation active. Power output stable. Brake response test. Precision stopping confirmed. Full system diagnostics. All systems verified. Interior detailing complete. Finish perfected. Final polish applied. Gloss at peak perfection. Final inspection in progress. Surface quality approved. Final approval granted. Ready for dispatch. Vehicles advancing. Dispatch sequence initiated. Loading in progress. Precision placement ensured. Vehicles secured, ready for dispatch. Dispatch convoy moving via vehicles en route. Highway transport active. Delivery in motion. Dealership arrival. Unloading in progress. Showroom presentation ready. Elegance on display. Delivery complete. Your journey begins. Engineered to stand apart, designed to lead. Precision in every detail, crafted to perfection. Signature lighting, unmistakable identity. Balanced design, refined from every angle. System ready, precision at your command. On the road, pure control. Controlled power every turn. Night ready, precision illuminated. Signature glow, unmistakable presence. Jaecoo J7, engineered to perfection. Design symmetry perfectly aligned. Precision in motion, engineered control. Brand identity crafted in detail. Light meets design, flawless finish. Step inside, premium comfort awaits. Space optimized, ready for every journey. Open sky, limitless comfort. Smart control at your fingertips. Access granted, instantly connected. Jaecoo J7, engineered to stand apart. Touch and unlock. Smart design in every detail.
Start the experience.
Drive ready, fully in control. The journey begins now.